Alright guys, we're going to solve for an unknown angle this time. So again, let's do the same as we were doing before with the unknown side. So we label our triangle OH and A. And we're pretty good at this now because the teacher makes us do it lots. Alright, don't forget the trig ratios. So sine is O over H. So sine is O over H, cos is A over H, and tan, that's O over A. So they got us to remember by saying so katoa. Easy as A. Alright, so that's A and H, which is cos. So we're going cos of A is equal to 15 divided by 20 because it's A on top and H on the bottom. Now we got to take this cosine and put it over the other side, and the teacher said that does this funny thing called cos negative 1 or cos inverse. And that's on our calculator, so we get our calculator, we sort of have to press the shift button and then cos, and up comes cos negative 1. And then all we do is go 15 divided by 20. And there it is, 41.4. And because we're figuring out an angle, it's degrees. So our angle there is 41.4 degrees. This is pretty easy, isn't it? So label the triangle, there's H along the side. Find O opposite the angle, and A is the other side. Look at this, man. We're using A and O. Okay, so what's got O and A in it? That's tan. So we've got to go tan of the angle theta. That's a Greek symbol. Man, you learn a lot when you listen in class, don't you? Now O goes on top, so the 15's got to go on top. A goes on bottom. And then remember, I've got to remove the tan. It becomes this tan negative 1 because I want to get the theta by itself. So I grab my trusty Casio and I type in shift tan 15 divided by 17. I get 41.4, and it's an angle, so we do degrees. Awesome, man. One more example, eh? Man, this is like playing rugby. Easy. Alright, that's H. Opposite the angle is O. And the other side's A. So we're using O and H. There we go. Got to find the correct ratio there, so it's sine. So that's sine, that funny little symbol there. And it's equal to O over H. So 1.6 over 3.4. Get rid of that sine. Remember, it goes that funny. Sine negative 1 or sine inverse. And it's 1.6 divided by 3.4. And I use my Casio. Sine negative 1, 1.6 divided by 3.4. Sweet. 28. I got around that correctly to 28.1 degrees. Awesome as, man. Hope you enjoy.